This demo video is for if the machine says ready idle but won't start. One thing you've got to make sure is that the hood is down, and the easiest way to check that is it says open. If the machine ever says open, it will never start because it can't let water splash around and you can get hurt. Once you make sure, if you shut the hood, it will start. There is another reason it won't start. That's the wash pump may have failed, or the wash contactor may have failed, or there's a broken wire. So there are other reasons, but that is a very common cause.